Introducing Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G smartphone in Phantom Black. It is also available in Phantom White and Dark Red and is the first Galaxy S with embedded S Pen. The smartphone comes with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. The dynamic AMOLED 2X display comes with 1750 nits brightness and 120 Hz refresh rate. It is equipped with an advanced pro-grade camera for better pictures. The smartphone runs on Android 12 with 5G ready, powered by Galaxy's first 4nm processor. The 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery provides extended battery life. The box includes handset, ejection pin, data cable and quick start guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.